Behind these gates, 9.5 enchanting acres wait patiently for a visionary, a dreamer, a new owner to realize a new story. With the opening of each new chapter, there is eagerness for the life waiting ahead in a home, the sweet beginning of stories ready to be lived. And as the stories unfold, we must savor each page as it turns. The stories of rooms that hold the milestones of growing up and growing old, of moving out and moving on. For over 50 years, life was thoroughly lived on this property. The challenges and triumphs, the mundane, the peaks and the pits. Children were raised, left and came back to visit. The family expanded and contracted as the story rolled along. Birthdays, holidays, the warmth of the kitchen when the home was living up to its purpose. All of the details that we see more clearly in hindsight. Watching the dogs in the front yard, tending to the barn, nurturing the land, remembering the devotion it takes to maintain, preserve, and honor its beauty. This ground froze, then thawed, and warmed with summer dew. The leaves fell again, the years passed in sacred repetition as memories accrued. And at last, the time came to close the chapter, to put the book away, and to open the gates for someone new to write the next story.